friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ECS LIVA Z2 256G small PC. So friend, ECS has introduced a new small desktop PC to the market, the LIVA Z2 256G, and the model number is N5030. And friend, this compact device is pre-installed with Windows 10 Pro and comes with a range of features including fanless heatsink and Intel Pentium N5030 processor. And friend, it measures 118 mm in width, 132 mm in depth, and 56.4 mm in height, and with a weight of 640 grams. And it is equipped with 8 GB DDR4 SO-DIMM memory and a 64 GB of eMMC storage and 256 GB SSD. And the device is capable of 4K by 60 FPS video output with its Intel UHD Graphics 605 graphics video output, HDMI 2.0x1, HDMI 4.0x1 support. And this compact PC is also equipped with a range of external interfaces including USB 3.1 Gen 1 into 3, USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type C into 1, and USB 2.0 into 2. And the device also supports IEEE 802.11 AC wireless LAN, gigabit wire LAN, and Bluetooth 4.2. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at approximately 305 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.